Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix touchscreen not responding on your Motorola Moto G31. So as you guys can see, here we have the phone. Now, if you have a screen protector or a case, that can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when a case is made from a bad dummy phone, or it's just misaligned and it touches parts of the screen, then it can cause the interference of your touchscreen becoming less responsive. So if your case has it, then I would recommend removing it and see if that makes any difference. If not, then moving on to the screen protectors. If your screen protector is poorly applied, then basically all you have to do is just remove it. So whenever it's sticking out of the screen, it's not on the screen properly, then you should remove it and see if that brings any difference. Now, what you guys can do is clean the screen with a microfiber cloth. So I have one right here, and now we're gonna wipe the screen a couple of times. So 3 times is definitely enough to get rid of any debris or moisture, also the fingerprints. And now, if there are still some issues, what you guys can try is hold the power button. Now basically click on the restart and your phone will start restarting to refresh the entire system. So I'll see you guys once the phone is back. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So unlock your phone, enter the password if you have one, then wait for it to turn fully on, and after it turns on, then go straight into the settings. Now here in the settings, scroll down until you guys see the system updates, and here in the system updates, click on check for updates. Now after you check for updates and everything will look good, you'll see that everything looks good and you're using the latest software, then you shouldn't be worried about it. But if you have an update available, then make sure to do that, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the touchscreen not responding. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.